Hello, everyone, and welcome to What Research Assistant Can and Cannot Do. Now that you are familiar with how to use the Research Assistant tool, let's review what the Research Assistant can and cannot do. We'll begin with what the Research Assistant can do. Research Assistant allows you to search the library's catalog using research questions and allows you to use natural language to search for academic resources. The Research Assistant provides a preliminary list of top 5 resources with a summary and links to more resources, and provides an overview of the sources that summarizes the descriptions and abstracts from each source. The Research Assistant provides a list of related questions about your topic and searches for information based on resource types such as books or articles, peer reviewed if requested, and also specific dates or a date range. The Research Assistant also helps you find keywords that you may not have thought of otherwise. Now that we know what the Research Assistant can do, let's review what the Research Assistant cannot do. And remember, Research Assistant is a search aid. This tool will not do research work, homework, or write your paper for you. The Research Assistant cannot perform exhaustive searches. It is a tool to begin research. For example, I've asked the Research Assistant tool to write a 5-page paper about the ways that polymers are used in art conservation. And you can see that the Research Assistant did not write a 5-page paper, but has provided that sources section of the top 5 relevant academic sources. The Research Assistant cannot search using keywords. Here, I've searched for art, and the Research Assistant tool cannot generate an answer. The Research Assistant cannot generate and does not generate in-depth content. Here you can see from our earlier example, the Research Assistant provides only a brief summary of sources. Furthermore, the Research Assistant cannot create generative text like outlines or summaries of specific articles and cannot generate results and overview from full text. The overview is generated from article abstracts and descriptions. The Research Assistant tool does not search all available library resources. You're just getting a limited window into the content, which results in those brief summaries. Additionally, the Research Assistant cannot provide specific University of Akron University Libraries information, like library hours or what new books are available. Now we know what the Research Assistant tool cannot do. And congratulations, you now know what Research Assistant can and cannot do.